What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And I'm sure if you've been on YouTube for any extended period of time, you've probably seen tons of videos about making money with Clickbank. And I'm sure that many of you have probably been intrigued and maybe you watched countless hours of these videos, and maybe you've even tried some of these methods. But you may have found out that a lot of these methods that you've been taught have not worked for you. Maybe they didn't resonate. Maybe they just didn't work. But in this video, I'm going to show you a foolproof method on how you can actually start today and actually start making money with Clickbank, even if you are a complete beginner. Now, but before we do that, if you want to be updated on more videos on affiliate marketing and making money from home, be sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. And in the description, I actually have a free guide that I teach you how to actually start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. That's the way I do it, from A to Z. You can get that ebook in the description below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video, guys. How to make Clickbank sales tutorial for beginners. And we're starting right now. All right, guys, we're going to jump right into this video and go through the steps of how you can actually start making money with Clickbank, even if you are a complete beginner. So step number one is you're going to basically pick a evergreen product, right? You're going to pick a product that is going to sell today, it's going to sell next month, it's going to sell next year, and for years to come. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And then once you have your product selected, you're going to then do a video review of that product, right? And then once you do that video review, you're going to create supporting content that's going to help pre-sell that product, right? And pre-sell that review video that you do for the product. And then in that supporting content, like I said here, you're going to actually refer back to that video review, that initial video review that you did of the actual product. So basically what that looks like, guys, is basically you're going to pick your product from Clickbank, that evergreen product, and then you're going to do like a video review of that product. So you're going to detail that product in a video, and then you're going to be creating content supporting that video review, right? So this is going to be content 1, content 2, content 3. You're going to make like 5 to 6 videos supporting this video review. So if we actually jump over to Clickbank, let's just do that real fast. And basically, I've just picked out a product just to kind of keep this video pretty short. And I've gone to the e-business and marketing category. And one of the products that it's in here is called Clickbank University. And the reason why I selected this Clickbank University is because it's a product that Clickbank supports. It's Clickbank, and it's a Clickbank product. And what this product does is it actually teaches people how to become Clickbank affiliates and how you sell products on Clickbank and how you can become a product, owner, and everything about, like making money with affiliate marketing. So that this course is going to be here today, and it's going to be here to the inception of Clickbank, and it's probably going to evolve as time goes on. And then even when I look at some of the details, first of all, it's making $115 average per sale. So basically on average, every time you sell this product, you're going to make over $100. And then if you look at the gravity on this product, it's at 84, which is extremely high for, a lot of the Clickbank products in the marketplace right now. So anything over 50 is usually considered really good. And this is at 84. So that just lets you know that a lot of affiliates are selling this product and a lot of people are making money. And then it also has a recurring component. So, there's a monthly bill out to Clickbank University. So people are actually making money on a recurring basis as well. So this is a really solid product that you could promote. So say if I wanted to, promote this product, If you could purchase the product yourself and kind of go through the material, that would be good, because it really kind of gives you more context to what you're going to be making your supporting videos about. But if you can't, you can just go ahead and do some research. A lot of times they have a JV page. You can click over to their JV page and learn information about, what is all in here. Tells you about the sales funnel and everything like that. And they also had a email address. So this is kind of like the affiliate support contact person. So you could kind of email them even and try to find out some more information about that product. So for instance, if this was going to be the product that we were going to roll with, we would basically, we go back to our presentation here then, and we've already picked our product. So if Clickbank University is going to be our product, we're going to do a full video review of Clickbank University. So you're either going to try to purchase the product, or you're going to basically just go out and do some research on the product and try to get a lot of detailed information about that product, so that you're able to do a really good review of the product. So once that review video is completed, then you're going to start doing your content, your support videos that's going to support this review video. And, these videos could be about, video one could be how to pick profitable niches on Clickbank. And then you do a video about that. And then you can say, another way that I learned how to do that is from Clickbank University, and I did a review. You can go check it out in the description. The next video could be, how to select a product within your niche, and then you could do a video on how to set up your sales funnel, how to start building your list, how to start driving traffic to your sales funnel. And then you can go into multiple steps of like conversions and squeeze pages and this and that, because all of these things are components that are taught within Clickbank University, right? So you do all of these different content videos about list building, about traffic generation, about conversions, about this and that, and sales funnels. And then you say, Clickbank University is a great place to start if you're a beginner. If you want to learn how to be an affiliate marketer and sell, affiliate products on Clickbank in any marketplace, check out my review video on Clickbank University. And then you basically push them to that one review video that you do, and then they learn more about Clickbank. So they're just building more trust and rapport as they go along, because they're looking at some of your content videos, and then you're still constantly pushing them to that review. They keep getting touches and touches and touches of that same review. And then eventually you're going to have a number of people that start purchasing this product, right from your YouTube channel. And that's a way that you guys can actually start making money with Clickbank. If you're a beginner, you just got to put in the work. It's definitely something that can be done. And if you follow the strategy and you do it just like I said, you will absolutely start making some sales. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. This was a short video, but this is definitely the blueprint. I mean, it's not rocket science. It's just something that you have to go out and do, and you can actually start seeing results in a short period of time. All right, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.